Hello everyone, how you all doing? I believe you're all having a beautiful day. I believe you're all making money with the strategies we've been sending. Yes, I understand the world out there isn't really kind. Like things are quite hard right now. Incurring from the pandemic and all that. So finding a job is even quite difficult, and that's why you're in this video. That's why I'm here to help you. It's my pleasure to help you. So with today's strategy I'm giving out, you can make about $20 to $50 a day. If you want to go higher, you can make about $100 to $200 a day. That's what you have in your account. It's a boom and crash strategy on a 1 minute time frame. So be sure to put your chart on a 1 minute time frame. And now the zoom level is going to be the third zoom level. 1, 2, 3. The third zoom level, please do not forget that. So indicator one, and we're going to look for the average directional moving index. That's what we're going to use. Your period is going to be excuse me, let me type this here. Your period is going to be period 50. Your style is 2 pixel. The color of your charts white. Then the middle one is going to be green. And the levels we're going to use, levels 5, 10, 25 and 30. 5, 10, 25 and 30. Hold on. Sorry, levels 5, 10, 20 and 35. That's the level we're going to be using for this strategy on the average directional moving index. So the pixel is going to be pixel 2, and you can use any color of your choice, but I'm using a blue color. Click done. Now you go back to your indicators tab. On the first indicator window, you're going to find the next indicator, this commodity channel index. Now your period is going to be period 14. It's typical. Your style is going to be white, 2 pixel. Now the levels, leave the levels as they are. Click done. Now we're going to the next indicator. Your indicators tab. We're going to find, okay, let's switch this color so it can become more visible to blue, so it's going to be more visible. I think yes, blue, more visible. Then 2 pixel. Click done. Then the next indicator we're going to add, it's going to be the moving average, still on the indicator 1, the moving average, and period there is going to be, it's going to be period 10, shift 0, simple close, method simple, apply to close, 3 pixel, and let me make it 4 pixel. The color is red, so you can see it quite well. At least you know what you're doing there. Now just don't click done. Now the last indicator we're going to add, still on the indicator 1, please. We're still going to add another moving average. No, not the moving average. We're going to add market facilitation index. Just stick 1 pixel. We're going to change the color, your MFI up, volume up. I'm going to change that. So this is what we're going to do. I'm going to change the colors here. Your MFI up, I'm going to use green up. MFI down, I'm going to use black. Okay, MFI up, volume down, black. And MFI, the last one is going to make green. MFI down, volume up, just as it is. If you're having issues, please go back and screenshot it or pause the video there. So this is how it is, guys. Whenever this red moving average crosses the green line there, it just know a spike will happen, so you can place a buy. Just place a buy if you're in a boom market. We don't use this for trading trends, no, just for catching spike. Look, whenever the red moving average crosses the green moving average or the green line, no spike is happening. No spike will definitely happen in the next 2 or 3 candles. It's as easy as that, guys. Now it's all on you to choose the low side you would use. Just so you'll see what I'm showing you here. See, the red moving average crossed that green line and a spike happened. Now if you're fortunate enough and a spike happens, you see a black line. Let me change something, excuse me. Let's make this 4 so it can be more visible. Yes, beautiful. Now this is what you want. So be sure to take your charts back so you don't have repenting signals, because most time you're back testing and you take the chart back, the indicator might show something different. So always be sure to take your charts back before placing a trade. And I'd advise you also incorporate this trading plan. If you've gotten it from me, it works. Also use the trading plan. You can see here the red moving average touches this green line and a spike happen. The same thing for a crash market, the same thing for a boom market. It's the same thing. Let me show you something now. Now watch, guys. Like I said, take it back so you don't have any issues. Always take your shots back so you don't have any issues about repenting signals. Now you see what happened here. This red moving average cross and a spike happened. Now this black sign came out, and once the black sign comes out, this black line, another one will happen. Another spike is gonna happen. As simple as that, guys. Very simple. See, the beauty about all strategies working with the plan. This is another example here. The red moving average crossed the green line and a spike happened. A big spike happened. As you can see now, a black line, this long black line came out, meaning small spike will happen. Be careful, this only works on the overbought and oversold level. Do not try to do it to this excuse me, in the middle of the indicator chart. It works only at the oversold and overbought level. If this crossing happens in the middle like this, it's not going to work. It's bad signal. So please stick to the plan as it is, stick to the rules of the strategy as it is. Let this happen in the overbought, oversold level. I would advise don't use this to take trending markets. Always push your charts back this way so you don't have repenting signals. This is quite important. That's why I'm repeating it. I want to show you an example of a repenting signal. And see something like this. Imagine you enter this trade thinking because it has crossed, not knowing you're only doing yourself because you did not shift the chart back. Now if it's crossed here, you think it's a good signal, but this has been a long trade. This is a very long trade, a very long trend, and you would have lost quite the money. That's why it's always important. Please take your charts back as far as possible so you don't have any repenting signals. Do you understand? So let's check for another confluence we could use. Let's see. Now this is the reason why you have to take it back, because if you don't take it back, you see this one is repainting. It's not accurate. Can you see what happened now? The red moving average went up. So always take it back. Always shift your charts, your graph, or whatever you call it, the charts of this MetaTrader. Always take it back. Take it back to the end. Do you understand? It is needed you take it back so you don't have any indicators or candles that are repainting. Okay, so as simple as that. See what happened. The red crossed the green and a spike. Whenever the red crosses the green, it's a spike. Whenever the red crosses the green, it's a spike. It is very easy. Nothing to be confused about. In the next 2 to 3 candles, it will happen. And please let this happen in the overbought level, please, not in the middle of the indicator or in the middle of the ADS. It is always happening at the overbought level or on the oversold level. For a crash, it's in the overbought level. Do you see what I say? You always shift your graph. See what happens here. If you entered this trade now, you'd have lost money because you can see it went up. But if it shifts this graph back, this red is not going to be at this overbought level. Can you see? Because most traders would just do something this stupid and just because they see the red crosses and they'll place the trade. Can you see what's happening now? This is why it's important to take it back. Take it back so you don't hold a losing trade. Now you're thinking it must spike, and you're holding trade for 10 candles, so you shouldn't be doing that. That's just you being foolish, if you ask me. Always take. Now let me show you another example. See what happened here. So
it entered this trade. Now this is at the back on the oversold level, so a spike. Now say a black candle under there. Because I see this black candle, I will hold it straight like this, because I'm expecting another spike. I see another spike happen. It just went selling, and it went down. The same thing here till it reached this black candle. It is very easy and very simple to follow. Just follow it to a T. Follow it to a T. As simple as this. I told you I was expecting another spike. Can you see what happened? I told you I was expecting another spike because it's a black candle. Now you see what happened. Look guys, this is very easy. It's very, very easy. Just come on. Very easy, very easy, very easy. Just follow the strategy as it is. Now another black candle, another spike will happen. I promise you, another spike will happen. Yes, what will happen. The thing is, understand it. I'm making this as simple as it is. Although this video is becoming quite long, I'm making it as easy as it is, so you don't make mistakes. Do not use this strategy to buy crash. It's not for trending, it's for catching spikes. Do you understand? For catching spikes. So in a boom you should be buying, and a crash you should be selling. Can you see what happened? So what happened now? It's just crossed. Now, as simple as that. The same thing way for a boom. Once the red moving average crosses the green line below the oversold level, the other one was below above the overbought. So now this is gonna be below the oversold level. No, a spike is gonna come out. See what happened? Can you see what happened? Once it's crossed, a spike happened, which is the buy. As simple as that, guys. As simple as that, guys. It's very, very simple. Now just watch. So this is now crossing. So what is gonna happen is we're gonna place a buy. We're going to place a buy now, and let's see what happens. Don't know if we might be in this video and watch a spike or not. So let's look for other examples for boom 500. See, this is at the oversold level. Please do not make mistake. This is at the oversold level. The other one was at the overbought level, but this is going to be at the oversold level. I see what's happened. Once it's crossed, a spike is happening. As simple as that. Once it crosses, a spike is happening. It's as easy as that. Do you understand? Once you cross below, you buy. Once you cross below, you buy. I'm singing it as a song now, so you'll not say you blew your account tomorrow. Let me find another example, just so I'll show you. It's very simple, guys. It's very simple. Finding something to see. Now, just so you know, you shouldn't enter the market whenever you see a signal. One, make sure it's accurate, and two, follow your targets. If you're making $5 in the morning or $10, once you get it, get out of the market. Do not be there every day. Okay, say an example here. See, at the oversold level down there, and a spike happened. A black candle came out and it spiked. As simple. This is one of the fastest indicators, fastest signals. Very, very fast. Once it crosses the green line, once the red moving average crosses the green line, no, a spike is happening. Now you can see this one will soon spike, but let's see how it goes. Let me find another example. Please, like I said, once you have met your target for the day, stop trading. Do not be in the market from morning till night say you're trading. You only lose. You lose, and you now start going on a revenge cycle to get that money back. Please do not do that. Like I said, this is just for catching spike. You buy boom, do not sell. Do not sell with this strategy. You buy boom, as simple as that. And this works mainly on ranging markets, when the market is not stable, when it is volatile. Do you understand? So I'm waiting to see if this will spike. Once it spikes, I will probably just end the video, because I'm done with the strategy. Just watch it, and you can make as much as you want, really. With a small account, with a $100 account, you can be making about $20 to $50 a day. $20 to $50 a day with a $100 account. Now, if you have above that, if you have like $1,000, you can make $200 to $500 a day. As simple as that. And this is just predominantly for catching spike. You don't use this on trend markets. Okay. Thank you very much. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Please do not forget to subscribe to the channel. Click the notification bell so you can be notified whenever I post videos. I post videos weekly, 4 to 5 times a week. So what's going to happen is, moving forward, I'll give strategies every month. You must not use all. Please do not use all. Find one that's suitable for you and convenient for you and choose that. As simple as that. As simple as that. Please do not make that mistake of hopping through strategies up and down. Please do not do that. Find a simple one. You see, wow, it already spiked. You see, as simple as that. I told you it spiked. That one also spiked again. Look, this is money, guys. This is money. It is very easy, my guy. It's very easy. So please subscribe to the channel and share to your friends and family. Thank you very much. Well, see you guys.